Okay, I'm recording Packet Tracer, and I am going on this activity. We will be configuring the wireless VLANs, wireless and voice VLANs. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to switch 1, the CLI, and we are going to do the domain for the VTP. So enable conf t and VTP domain Cisco and VTP mode and we call this the server. And then we will do the password. And just put class, and then I'm gonna go right. Oops, forgot to exit. And we'll write that. And we're gonna go to switch 2. And I'm gonna make this a client. Oops. VTP domain. I do not like when it does that to me. Hold on. I think I figured out why it won't work. I always forget to do something. So now we gotta type in the VTP domain Cisco. Now we gotta make it a client. VTP mode client. Now we gotta do the password. Password class. Now I got to Control Z and then write RW. Now we need to go to switch 3 and do the exact same thing. So we'll go over switch 3. I did this so it'd stop moving on me. I just stopped the time on it. It confuses me and messes me up too much. And then gotta go to conf t. Now to do this in real life is you just unplug all the cables and it'll stop doing everything, and then you can configure as normal and then hook everything back up and then make sure it runs correctly. Okay, so we're going to VTP domain Cisco, and then go VTP mode client, VTP password class, and then We'll write that. After we go Control Z, we'll write. And that's copyright start also. I just like to do it the fast way. Now we are going to go back to the main server. And going to do our VLANs. Since our domain should be correct now, and everything should match up. Now we'll do our VLANs on the server switch. So now I gotta go enable config or conft. Then we gotta go VLAN space 20 name data and we gotta exit. And you gotta do VLAN space 30. We'll name it wireless, and then we'll exit that one, and then we gotta go VLAN 40, and that one will be voice. Yeah, just VLAN 40, enter. Now we'll put the name voice, and we'll exit, and we'll write. Oh, gotta go Control Z. Now I can write it. That one's done. Okay. Now we can go show VTP status. Yeah, VLANs existing 9. VTP version 2. Versus Cisco server, yeah, that's correct. Domain Cisco, yeah, that's correct. Okay. Now we need to go to the second switch. And do our interfaces. And it's INFA 0/1. Enter. And switch port space access VLAN 20. Hopefully that's correct. Nope, it's not correct. It's probably space between that. There we go. And then we have to exit. And then enter VA 0/9 for the switch port access for VLAN 40. And we'll exit out of that one. I can spell exit correctly. And the last one will be for the 0/10. And that will be for VLAN 30. Let's see if I can write that faster. Switch port, yeah, we'll just do it that way. I just pressed the up button on that just so I wouldn't have to rewrite everything. And we'll hit enter, and we'll have to go Control Z and RW, and that'll be good for that one. Now I have to do the exact same thing for the other server. So then we're getting all these VTPs everywhere. Or the other switch client. So that's this switch 3, yes. So I'll do this on switch 3 real quick. Okay, I just stopped it and stopped the recording, and now I'm recording again. And I real quick went back through and retyped everything as I did on the switch 2. And now I'm just at the copy run start. I gotta first Control Z, and I can write. And now for the last part, go into PC0, go into desktop, because I'm going to ping one of the others. So I'll type in ping 192.168.20.1. Okay, I had to get out of the stopwatch and turn on the timer so it actually worked, because it was just timing out. And I pinged it again real quick, and this time everything was sent through. I'll ping another one. We'll do, I think it's .10. I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong. Okay, I'm correct. And that concludes this session. Thank you for watching.